Imagine one powerful device that fits in your pocket and can charge your MacBook Pro at full speed. This is the PD100W DIY Power Bank Kit, built for people who want performance, power, and full control. Take a look inside. Designed for 2-1.
To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
700 battery cells. It delivers massive capacity and turns your setup into a true portable power station. And the best part? Assembly is simple and clean. No complicated process. Just build, close, and you're ready to go. From the premium transparent shell to the high-quality internal board, every detail feels solid, modern, and durable. Now check out this smart LED display. It shows real-time battery level and charging status, so you always stay in control. By the way, if you enjoy products like this, let us know what kind of product reviews you want to see. And don't forget to share this video with others. Whether you're charging your iPhone, tablet, or even a MacBook, this 100W fast charging system handles everything smoothly. Compact, travel-friendly, and airline-safe, perfect for students, travelers, and digital creators. So why settle for less? Build your own high-performance power bank today. Check out the AliExpress link in the first comment and get why.
For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon.